Welcome to the world of surfing. If you've always wanted to learn but didn't know where to start, this channel is for you. We're here to make surfing simple, friendly, and fun. You don't need to be an athlete. You don't need to live by the beach. You don't even need your own board. All you need is the curiosity to try. On this channel, you'll find everything you need to get started. We'll show you how to pick the right surfboard and wetsuit, how to paddle without burning out, how to stand up with confidence. You'll learn how to choose safe beginner waves and how to stay out of trouble in the ocean. You'll also get tips on reading conditions, avoiding crowds, and building good habits from day one. We use real footage from surf schools and beginner sessions, so you can see how it actually looks when you're learning. You'll also see a bit of more advanced surfing to inspire you and remind you where this journey can take you with time and practice. This channel is all about progress, not perfection. We reply to every comment, and we're building a community of learners who support each other. So if surfing has been on your mind, this is your sign to begin. Click subscribe, watch a few videos, and take that first step toward the ocean. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're right on time. Welcome to surfing. We're glad you're here.